I order parts for airplanes over the phone. Move delivery trucks into loading zones. Help maneuver sofas through impossible doors. And I've word processed till my fingers are sore. Now I got it figured out, it's gonna be cool. And I'm enrolling in air conditioning school. Ba 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 ba. Air conditioning school is gonna be swell, 'cause down in Texas it's hotter than hell. Lots of sweaty people will be begging for mercy, giving me money that'll fatten my pursy. This chump change I've been making is strictly for fools. I'm enrolling in air conditioning school. Oh, 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 give it free on. I'll learn about compressors and filters and coils, do a little screwing and squirt a little oil. I'll have a uniform that's a perfect fit, with dick spelled out over my left tit. I'll buy me a house and I'll put in a pool. I'm enrolling in air conditioning